In this video, we're going to take a look at male and female RCA ends. Well, I want to make this video because it seems like lately we're having an issue in society with the male and female thing, and I just wanted to go over this with the male and female RCA connectors because in the audio business and the hobby of audiophiles, we actually come in to having to use RCA connectors, and there is a difference here. We have the male RCA end, we have the female RCA end. It takes a male and a female to make a connection. Thusly, you must plug in the male connector into the female connector like so. See, just that's the way it goes, okay? You have to have a male, you have to have a female. You can't make two males go together, right? It's not going to work unless you have a female to female adapter to put in between these. Obviously, we have female RCA adapters on the back of this crossover. We cannot take another female and plug into that. See, that doesn't work. Okay? We need to be gender specific, meaning in order to make a connection, we need a male and a female. Here again, we need a male, correct, and a female. You could identify this as male till the cows come home. You could identify this as a female until the cows come home, but at the end of the day, it's not a female. This is not a male. This is a male. This is a female. So I know we need to explain this nowadays in the audio community because there's a lot of newbies out there. I thoroughly get that. Okay, so let's go from the RCA male to female controversy to the ever popular 3.5 millimeter stereo headphone jack, which everybody has because most everybody with a smartphone, unless you're an Apple owner, has a 3.5 millimeter jack in their phone. So I want you to understand this is a male 3.5 millimeter jack. This is a female, and you have to plug the male jack into the female outlet. See how that goes? See? We can't identify these as a male and a female because you could identify these, try to identify these till the cows come home, but at the end of the day, that doesn't work. So, if you want to make an electrical / audio connection, you need a male and you need a female. And there you have the audio connection. Alright guys, well look, thanks for watching. I just wanted to clear that up. And yeah, please leave questions or comments down below. Oh, by the way, smash that like button. Isn't that what everybody says? All the cool kids say that. Smash that like button. Thanks.